Man, y'all see how thick and full her hair looks? It is filling in nicely. Here I'm just kind of showing you all a 360 view. I'm gonna go in a little bit so you can see up closer. I wish I would have got more footage of like the single micro locks up close. I'll try to do that next time. But if you look at the last videos, a couple of videos, you can see how much thicker it's gotten, and it's filling in very nicely. She had just got maintenance done on it not too long ago. She had a retie, but yeah, they're coming along very nicely.
Oh, that little breeze feel good.